Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or disable the Mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here, tap on Allow Apps. Next, tap on the Mail toggle button to allow Mail app or disable it. Now, if I disable it, you can see on my home screen here, shortly the Mail app will be removed, and in my app library as well, I will not be able to find the Mail app. And that's it. So that is how you can disable it. To switch it back on, we go back into the same settings menu and tap on the toggle button to turn back on. And here I will be able to see the Mail app shortly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.